In today's video, I'm going to show you how to animate texts in different animations in Canva, step by step. This is perfect if you're creating presentations, social media posts, videos, or any kind of visual content, and you want your text to look more engaging and dynamic. Canva makes text animation extremely easy, even if you're a complete beginner. Before we jump in, if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Canva tips, tutorials, and easy design guides. All right, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to canva.com. Make sure you're logged into your Canva account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Canva home screen, where you can see your recent designs, templates, and projects. From here, click on any file of your choice. This can be a presentation, a social media post, a video design, or even a blank canvas. For this tutorial, any design that contains text will work. Once your design opens, look for the specific text that you want to animate. Click directly on that text so it becomes selected. You'll know it's selected when you see the text box outline and editing options appear. With the text selected, move to the top toolbar and click on the Animate button. This will open Canva's animation panel, where you'll see different animation styles specifically designed for text. Now click on the option that says Appear on Click. This is very useful if you're working on presentations or videos and you want the text to animate one by one instead of all at once. After enabling Appear on Click, you'll see a list of animation styles. Click on any animation you like. Canva will instantly apply that animation to the selected text, and you'll see a preview of how it moves, fades, or pops onto the screen. Take your time here and test different animations until you find one that matches your style. Next, click on another text element in your design. This allows you to apply a completely different animation to a second piece of text. Once again, with the new text selected, click on Animate from the top toolbar. Choose Appear on Click again so this text animates separately from the first one. Now select a different animation for this second text. This is how you can mix and match multiple text animations within the same design to create a more dynamic and professional look. You can repeat this process for as many text elements as you want, applying different animations to headlines, subheadings, or call to action text. Once you've animated all your text, click on the Preview button. This allows you to watch how all the animations play together in real time. Check the timing, flow, and overall feel of the animations, and make adjustments if needed. And that's it! You've successfully animated different texts with different animations in Canva. This simple technique can make a huge difference in how polished and engaging your designs look. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Canva tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.